Learn English with this mini story. Elon Musk. Welcome to the mini story about Elon Musk. This exercise is designed to improve your English fluency and confidence. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence aloud, and answer the questions in complete sentences. Practice using the correct tense and focus on speaking with confidence and clarity. So here's the plan. Practice this story every day for the next 7 days. Each day, listen, repeat, and answer the questions with energy and determination. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's a fun and engaging mini story about Elon Musk, designed to entertain and teach English fluency while sharing valuable lessons about determination, innovation, and dreaming big. Your daily practice. Listen actively to the story, pay attention to the rhythm and pronunciation, repeat each sentence aloud with confidence and accuracy, answer the questions in full sentences, just like in a real conversation. Why practice daily? Elon Musk didn't become a visionary overnight. He dedicated himself to learning and improving every single day. You can succeed in English the same way by practicing consistently, just like Elon worked tirelessly to revolutionize industries. You can work hard to revolutionize your fluency in English too. Remember, success comes from hard work, determination, and never giving up. Bonus challenge. At the end of each session, reflect on your progress. Are you speaking with more confidence? Are your answers more fluent? Keep smiling and stay motivated. Do it for 7 days. Practice the video each day for 7 days. Each day, listen to the story and answer the questions again, focusing on improving your fluency and accuracy. And over time, your confidence and ability to use different tenses will improve. Check and improve. Listen again if needed and adjust your answers based on the tenses used in the story. Focus on clarity and accuracy. Elon Musk was born in South Africa and loved reading science fiction books. Where was Elon Musk born? He was born in South Africa. What kind of books did Elon love to read? Science fiction books. Elon dreamed about building rockets and exploring space. What did Elon dream about? Building rockets and exploring space. Did he dream about becoming a chef? No, he dreamed about building rockets. As a child, Elon built his own computer game. What did Elon build as a child? He built his own computer game. Did Elon build a spaceship as a child? No, he built a computer game. He sold the game for $500. How much did Elon sell his game for? $500. Was Elon a creative child? Yes, he was very creative. When Elon grew up, he moved to the United States to chase his big dreams. Where did Elon move to? The United States. Why did he move to the United States? To chase his big dreams. He started companies like PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. What companies did Elon start? PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. Did Elon work for someone else? No, he started his own companies. At SpaceX, Elon wanted to build reusable rockets. What kind of rockets did Elon want to build? Reusable rockets. Did people think Elon's idea was crazy? Yes, many people thought it was crazy. But Elon didn't give up. He kept working and testing his rockets. Did Elon give up when things got hard? No, he didn't give up. What did he do instead? He kept working and testing his rockets. After many failures, one of SpaceX's rockets finally landed successfully. Did SpaceX succeed on the first try? No, they failed many times. Did they eventually succeed? Yes, one rocket finally landed successfully. Elon proved that reusable rockets could work. What did Elon prove? That reusable rockets could work. Today, Elon is working on sending humans to Mars. What is Elon working on today? Sending humans to Mars. Does Elon think small? No, he dreams big. Elon says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. What does Elon say about important things? When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Now, let's talk about you. Do you have big dreams like Elon Musk? Yes? Then don't give up. Elon kept going, even when people laughed at his ideas. Can you keep going when English feels hard? Of course you can. Like Elon, work hard every day. And remember, big dreams require big effort. Thank you for joining me in this mini story about Elon Musk. Practice listening, repeating, and answering the questions every day for the next 7 days. Remember, dream big, work hard, and never give up. Just like Elon Musk, you're doing amazing, and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.